Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it has been way too long since I have spoken with you about natural hair care. I have quite a few products that I have been using recently that I've found have really worked, and I've even received compliments or people commenting on my hair after using some of these products. So I thought I would talk you through what I'm using at the moment, what's working. Well, all of the products are cruelty free, most are organic, and some are vegan as well. So I'll probably title this video all of those categories, but they all are at least cruelty-free and naturally based, but some may not be purely organic and some may not be 100% vegan, but I will give you as much info as I can. As always, I will leave links down below, and I'm also thinking about doing a blog post on this topic or these products, so I'll leave a link down below if I do create one as well. So first of all, what is hair care without shampoo? So I thought I would start out with the shampoo. I have the Mineral Fusion Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. This product is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, naturally based. I don't really have dandruff, but I do get a lot of buildup with sebum and flaky skin leading up to my really bad hormonal times, and I don't have the best time hormonally. So is that a word? Hormonally? Anyway, my hormones are a bit out of whack, so I do need to control that buildup. The thing I love about this, apart from the fact that it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, free from sulfates, parabens, and all those nasties that we like to avoid, is that this contains salicylic acid, and I found that this works, well, salicylic acid works really well for my skin leading up to those hormonal times. So I found that this has worked really well at managing the problem. I don't think that I will ever find anything that will completely get rid of the problem, because that is coming from within. If you do have dandruff and you're using something horrible like Head and Shoulders or something like that, please switch to something more natural like this, and also try the apple cider vinegar rinse, and I promise you, you will see an improvement almost immediately. The next product is also a Mineral Fusion product. This is the Volumizing Conditioner. I have really thin hair. At the moment, it's looking pretty good. When I was younger, I used to get my hair cut, and the hairdressers always thought, oh, you've got thin hair, so you've got to bulk it up from here. And I would end up, oh, that looks bad. I would end up with layers all the way up, and it looked like I had a mullet. Okay, don't do that. Don't get layers if you have thin hair, because it makes the ends look ratty. So now I'm at a really good point with my hair where I keep the ends blunt. It makes it look thicker, but I'm also using some more volumizing products. And I must be honest, I've never really used volumizing products before and gone, wow, this is actually working. I think sometimes we often use things for the sake of it and just have our fingers crossed that something good is happening. But this, honestly, it has worked. Like, my hair is so much thicker, and I have had at least, I reckon, 5 people, a handful of people have said to me in the last couple of months that my hair looks really thick, particularly when I let it dry naturally. But honestly, like, I sort of half let this dry this morning, blow dried the rest, and I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but I think it looks so healthy and so much thicker than it has in the past. And I don't even have any blonde or any special treatment through it to help thicken it up. So I am so happy with this. I would recommend it for anyone with thin hair, because I can honestly say I have seen results, and so have other people. And when other people start noticing things, then you know it's working. The next product I have, pretty much anyone in green beauty has at least heard of this, if not tried it. This is the Acure Organics Dry Shampoo. This is for brunettes. Now, there are mixed reviews on this. I think the key with this type of product is to use a very small amount. Make sure you blend it in properly, brush it out. If you have super oily hair, you know, it does help manage that on a really bad day where you're just in a hurry, but it's not going to feel like you have washed your hair, okay? So you are going to get a little bit of buildup of product that's mixing in with your oils, but if you go lightly, I find that's best, particularly if you have really thick hair or really, really oily hair. I wouldn't go putting too much of this on, but it does definitely take the edge off, and I find it really helps thicken my hair too. It's a lot easier to style and hold together when I have applied this if I'm having an oily hair day. This, I believe, is also vegan. Yeah, it's color safe, vegan, sulfate free, paraben free, and cruelty free. And I have seen a few people whinging about the fact that this is not dark enough for their hair. It is easily fixed. I haven't really had a problem with it. You can see how dark my hair is. And as long as you don't overload the product and blend it out properly, I think it's fine. But you can add some natural cacao powder and that will darken the product naturally. I am happy with this and I will keep using it because I'm really lazy with my hair. The next product I have is really new for me. I am really lazy with my hair, so I don't do any like treatments or anything like that, but I have noticed lately my hair has been a big fuzzball. Like it's been pretty humid up here because I'm in Queensland, but it's just been really frizzy. I have been applying this, oh, I'm so bad at pronouncing names, you guys. Antonin B. Maybe I'll just get you to read the products from now on and you can decide how to say them yourselves. So Antonin B is a Paris brand. It's professional hair care, but it's all natural. So this is the Desert Serum. It's certified organic strengthening serum for damaged, dry, and color treated hair. You can apply this to dry hair to smooth it out, but I've really been liking using this when my hair is freshly washed and it's almost dry, like it's still damp and it's just been dried, like air dried or towel dried. And I find that it just it makes my hair feel so silky, but it's not too oily. You only need a couple of drops, that's all you need. So if you do have frizzy hair, thick hair, hair that is hard to manage, I would recommend a serum like this. The last product I wanted to mention is the Bottega Organica hair mist. This is so good because I'm obsessed with mist sprays for my face, and anything that I can spray on myself to hydrate and get a glow without looking too oily, I will use again and again. Bottega Organica has a very interesting story behind their brand. I'll leave a link down below. I'm not going to even try to explain it to you, but basically one of their main ingredients that they seem to use in every product is prawn sage, which has been tested scientifically for its anti-aging properties. So this helps with rehydrating, refreshing your hair. It's really good to use as a detangling spray. You can use it wet, you can use it on dry hair, and it's just a really good way to touch up your hair just like you would with a mist spray on your face. You can use this before you style your hair, afterwards, if it's feeling dry, or you know, if it's feeling really knotty, you can use that dry or wet. And I really have been enjoying using that as well. So that is pretty much it for the hair products that I have been using recently and I've found have worked really well for me and I've seen actual results. I would love to hear from you below if you know of a really good hairspray. I've been using the Josh Rosebrook hairspray and I don't mind it, but it is a little bit sticky, and I don't really do a lot of, you know, hairstyles where I need that heavy hold with like the really stiff feeling finish to it. I'd prefer to kind of use it for volume, or if I put curls in my hair or something like that. So if you know of a really good natural hairspray, please let me know down below. I would love to do some trialing of some new products. So I hope that you found my video today helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you did enjoy my video today. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who continue to watch my videos and support me. I so appreciate every single one of you. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!